Okay, today we're featuring a 2012 Honda Pilot LX. It's got 118,000 miles on it. It's crystal black pearl in color. All right, it's a Carfax one owner. It's a local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the roof rails up there. The driver's side of the Pilot's in pretty good shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks good here. Just a small little ding, little crease right here in the back lift gate there. Just a small scratch here. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape here. Okay, just a little paint scuff right here in the front quarter panel, and then along the hood here, just a few scratches here and there. Okay, but it's a 2012. Okay, little paint chip right there as well, and it's got 118,000 miles on it, so that's to be expected. But it will be priced competitively. Will be priced aggressively. All right, it is a local trade, Carfax one owner, 118,000 miles. It's got the gray on gray door panels, small little rip in the door panel there. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. It's got gray cloth seating. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, you can slide this open right here. It's got some storage down there, a couple of cup holders there. And then your center armrest here is going to have your power outlet, auxiliary outlet, and USB port. Okay, passenger seat's in good shape. It is an automatic. Get your climate controls here. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, it's going to have your radio display right there. Got your cruise control on the steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Alright, it's got 118,091 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and let you check out the radio display here. Okay, and then once again, got the climate control areas, AM, FM, stereo, CD player. Okay, it is an automatic. Power outlet over here. Alright. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the back seat. It is third row seating. Okay. Let's take a look at the second row here. Alright, door panels here look good, no problems. Does have the nice thick rubber floor mats in the second row. Alright, second row cloth's in pretty good shape. Just one little area right here I see in the interior. It's not a rip or a tear or anything, more of just like a stain. Maybe got some glitter in it, maybe possibly a kid spilled some nail polish or something back there. Alright, the only other thing I see here is another little, looks like a repair right there on the center armrest. Alright, got your cup holders there, and once again, it's a 2012. It's got 118,000 miles, so this stuff's to be expected. Alright, but it will be priced accordingly. Alright, got your rear air, rear heat, another power outlet here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, take a look at the third row. Alright, does have the nice thick rubber floor mat back here in the third row as well. Third row seats look great. No issues at all back here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Some storage here. Okay, another convenient power outlet here. Now you can see when that third row's up, it does cut into the space in the back of these Pilots. All you do is pull this handle down and just push the seat right down. Alright, now you see how easy that was, but you see how much it opens it up back here as far as your space and storage. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. So we've got 17-inch steel wheels. Alright, brand new set of tires. All four of them brand new. Alright, once again, it's a 2012. It's got 118,000 miles. It does have a ding here and there, some scratches. Alright, but with a vehicle this old and that many miles, that's to be expected. It will be priced accordingly. Alright, it's got a Carfax one owner. It's a local trade. It's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.